Previously on iGyaan.
I'm not too sure if you're going to get the call tonight, but I'm really exhausted. We've been up since early morning. I don't know if I'm going to be buying it or if you're going to be able to make this happen.
The next day.
It's not ding 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 ding. Yeah. Calls from Ishok. None of you are still at the hotel. I was expecting your call last night. So it looks like something's gonna happen. Thank you very much. So it looks like everything is done. We've signed the paperwork and they really came through. And what's happening now is the car is being prepped. And if everything goes according to plan, I'll be driving out of here with the car today. Now, when I say driving out of here, the reality is that I'm not going to be driving all the way to Delhi from Bombay. The car will be coming directly to Delhi after we've taken delivery, if everything works out, because our flight's at 9 o'clock and we are in Thane, so it's going to take us about 2 hours to get to the airport, and it's already 2 o'clock right now, so we don't have too much time. And while they do have the car, they want to prep it, they want to do a full delivery, we want to do that, and we want to shoot it for you guys. So all of that is happening, so we'll make sure that it happens, and if it does, then obviously you'll get to see it, and then we'll reveal what the car is. And this is the time that you need to guess which car it's going to be. So leave your comments and your guesses in the comment section below, and let's see if your guesses come true. Maybe I'll take you for a drive, who knows. That's the car. Shh, nobody knows. Coffee's here. Anant is here.
Till now, I can't hear for the first time.
By the way, Starbucks is celebrating 100 stores in Mumbai. I was not aware, but now I am. Honestly, it's kind of boring waiting for the car.
Man, this shit is messing with my
So I finally pulled the plug, or actually I'll be plugging this in because this is my first EV. This is going to be my daily driver. It replaces the Cayenne, which is gone now, as you already saw. So this is a really special car. I actually reviewed it a year back, and I said in that video,
Flashback.
Now, we've tested some electric vehicles over the past years, and a lot of them have come really close. But I think this time there might be the one that I really like. And that one is this car.
End of Flashback.
and so I said in that video that if I was to buy an EV, it'll be probably this one. And well, I bought an EV and it is the same one. So this is the EQE 500. It's in this really nice blue color. It's called the soda lit blue. And it's got a really nice, plush, fully loaded interior with the hyper screen, which I absolutely love. And it has really amazing ventilated, heated and massaging seats. And you guys know that I love ventilated seats. So fantastic. It has an air suspension. It has a 550 kilometer range, a 91 kilowatt hour battery. It's got the works, 150 kilowatt charging setup. And you'll be seeing a lot of this on the channel, and I'm really excited. But right now, we're going to drive it out.
How's the drive?
Wonderful. एकदम एक नंबर.
एक नंबर.
And the shit is messing with my patience.
तो सब लोग बहुत आ गए हैं यहाँ पे. चलो, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Kind of rushed at the end because the car took a while to get ready, but we got it managed. And a big thanks to Landmark Mumbai for getting everything sorted, getting us the best possible deal and getting us the car in time. Now we're heading back to the airport. We're still in our GLC.
A few moments later.
You can see it's a little worse for wear because it did have to travel all that way. But like with every new thing, I guess we need to start with this as well. This is going to be the most satisfying peel of them all. It finally reveals the hyper screen. And then you can see the main screen over there. So a bunch of stuff in the back. This is something really heavy. So this is the toolkit, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is the jack and everything. We don't really need that right now. Put that here. This is probably the cable for the wall box, so maybe this is an extension cable. Either way, it has a really nice Mercedes logo on it. This is the user manual and some other documentation, very nice. And then this is the charger I opened earlier. So this also has a nice Mercedes logo on it, and this can slow charge your car. And then of course there's other stuff in the back here. We have the second key, which is nice. We have this, which is about 4,000. Oh, it's a wall clock. That's nice. This is a pouch for the books, which you already have for some reason. No, this is the basket that I had forgotten over there. So that's nice. It's got a plant in it. A few goodies. Some chocolate. I really like the interior. This one in the grey with this sort of mocha on the door. Really nice, super soft. And then all these aluminium accents, or are they steel? I don't really know, but it looks nice. Even with the Burmester speaker. So this is the wall box, and it does come with a bunch of things here. You can see that there is Mercedes tape on it, but this is all made by ABB. So I'm guessing some breakers here. And the box itself, we will have an installation happening sometime later this week. Let's look at this wall clock that we've got over here. Really nice. It's got a humidity and a temperature. I think this goes in the studio. Probably there, next to the iGyaan logo. And then of course the second key. I wish the presentation was a little bit better, but it's a softline case and we get a second key, which is nice. And then there is this. This appears to be a keyring of some sort. So again, you can see Mercedes-Benz logo over here. Pretty standard Mercedes keyring. I've seen this on a lot of Mercs before. So there it is, guys. That's my new EQE SUV. What do you think of the car? Let me know in the comment section below. And a big shout out to you guys for all the love and support over the years. This car is the perfect 5-seater that I was looking for. It's got everything that I was looking for. It is missing a few things, which I will talk about in another video. And I am going to be taking a road trip with this soon. So we'll have a range test. And of course, we have to protect the entire car. So probably do a full PPF or a ceramic coat on this. We'll stay tuned for that and see how that goes. Either way, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.